Top 5 Best Squirrel Proof Bird Feeders. Squirrels which used to scare the birds away. I had to, therefore, find a way of enjoying my great hobby without interference from these stubborn rodents. It is when I realized that I was in a severe need for a squirrel proof bird feeder. Number 5 Stokes Select Squirrel Proof Double Suet. This bird feeder is among the best in the market. The fist to the food made for your avian friends. Also, the feeder comes with a double locking system that keeps small seeds tight and secure in the feeder. Stokes Select. Color brown. Dimensions 10 by 10 by 9.4 in. Number 4 Homestead Super Stop-A-Squirrel. Moreover, this great feeder is perfect for any backyard decor to monitor the seed level through the large window. With this bird feeder, you don't need to stress to clean or refill. It's easy. Homestead. Color green river texture. Weight 7.4 pounds. Number 3 Woodlink Absolute 2 Squirrel Resistant Bird Feeder is what you have probably craved for. Having made in the United States, this outstanding feeder comes with a body made of steel coated with a durable powder. Woodlink. Dimensions 11.25 by 16 by 13.5 in. Weight 9.85 pounds. Number 2 Broom 1055 Squirrel Buster Mini 4.4 by 4.4 by 21. Squirrels won't access the food meant for your birds. The weight of the squirrel is what it takes to keep it from accessing the bird feeds. This feeder holds 3/4 quarts of bird seeds. It's Broom. Color green. Weight 12 pounds. Number 1 Perky-Pet Copper Panorama Bird Feeder. Turn your backyard into bird's paradise using the Copper Panorama Bird Feeder. This bird feeder has the best of designs in the market. It allows the birds to feed circularly as it comes with a circular perch which makes it possible for the birds to feed on different angles. Perky-Pet. Dimensions 9.25 by 8.32 by 8.32 in. Weight 1.54 pounds.